Yo, what's good, guys? I started the stream a little bit early today because I might have to head out soon. Not sure yet. Um, but we're already up. Took a little scalp earlier. Right now I'm looking. It's okay. We didn't catch anything too crazy on the Asia session, but we did catch something. Right now, I'm just watching price. I think we're gonna trade down to these lows right now. So this is kind of weird. I'm gonna have to enter right on the open if we do. Cause I didn't get an entry yet. Yeah. Let's see if we get a spike back up to the open. 17 handles. I don't know if we will, honestly. Good morning, everyone. We could honestly risk 3 more. Okay, let's see if we get a retracement. We're entering right on the open, guys. Like, I never do this, but everything is in place. So, what is there to lose? My account? I don't know. Hopefully, I'm gonna have to grab that stop loss real quick. Uh, see if we retrace. I'm gonna be sad if we just run to my target. Oh, it's edging us. I'm gonna have to grab that stop loss right now. It's gonna spawn up here. Sorry, guys. I'm kind of out of frame. Let me fix my chair. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, we might hit stop loss right now. Oh, that was wild. I don't like that. um, I might just cut it, guys. It's going crazy. Oh my, I want to set it to break even. It's going insane. All right, I don't know if that's gonna work, guys. All right, I don't want to be in that trade. I'm gonna give it a moment. It's like tweaking out right now. I'm gonna get my stop loss hit if I just try to enter like that. I'll give it. Okay, let's try again. I'm just ramming my stop loss. There we go. Let's go, baby. Oh, actually, that was part of the trade. Yeah. I got stop loss. If you cut it, you want me. What? Alright, guys, I gotta relax. I'm gonna end up taking a loss here that I don't need to take. Prices being a little bit weird. It looks like we might actually respect the bullish bias, maybe. So let's just give it a second. It's tweaking out, guys. You gotta give it a moment. That's unfortunate. It's running towards our target. Looks like ES is honestly I think if I enter another long, which we might get a chance to after it looks like we're gonna get an SMT right here. Then yeah, I'll actually try and use ES because we're a little bit more bullish on there. Let's see if we could get an early entry right here. 5. Probably do like 2 more. So we're gonna have a nice little SMT right here. Come on, there we go. See if we respect that SMT. Okay, we look good so far. ES is running a little bit lower though. See what it does right here. Watch, the next one's gonna hit TP. I hope so. Still bullish on ES. I'll probably aim for more actually right here. I'm just kind of setting the mood, trying to figure out what I want to do. Probably aim for like something up here if it does end up running. We'll have to see right now. It's just kind of hanging out. NQ has gotta make this inversion. Like, we gotta see momentum right here, or else it's probably not gonna work. If it hits TB, it's a sign that you need to send that profile pic in VIP chat. Maybe. Bro, YM, EG. I haven't looked at YM. Should I look at YM, guys? I mean, we're doing good in this trade already. Let's just stay in here real quick. We'll look at YM later. We don't want to get no FOMO. All right, so this inversion is coming out pretty good. Maybe not. Not the cleanest. You just have to have faith, guys. Faith in the execution. Blasted now. We're not getting any displacement higher. I really don't want to cut it though. Like, we got a really good position if it decides to run higher. Tag the inversion. We have this breaker. We have our stop loss below the manipulated low. Yo, what guys? We're staying in this. I have confidence. I have confidence. I believe NQ can recover. This is a good enough trade that I don't need to exit early out of, because lately I've been kind of in a rush to get in and get out. We'll hold it. We're gonna hold it. We're doing good. We're killing it, guys. What's up, Ardeline? We're doing good, guys. Let's see some momentum on NQ though. If we get that momentum, oh, we're gonna run all day. I want to add a little bit more size here, actually, if we can. If it decides to retrace, then that will be our additional I'll move my stop up a little bit. Cool. Um, see how that goes. Bro, I think Alex is a fanboy. He just be DMing me. Like, if you guys want to DM me, you could DM me too. It's low key funny because each time you laugh in stream, my fat ass chuckles too. Oh my lord. Chris, do not check Discord, bro. I checked it. Too late. Michael was right with his analysis. I forgot to message him, but I was literally doing the same thing. Ah, this trade isn't really going how I want it to go. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I wanted to see a lot more displacement right here on NQ. And we're just dipping. We gotta have faith though. I'm gonna go to sleep. Took one L and one W today. That was almost me. I took one W, had a wild open, and then that was it. Is there a tomorrow Asian session live? You gotta ask Mark that. You gotta ask if he's on that grind. Um, I'm sure he will, but I won't be there. I've only been doing New York AM. I might start moving my stop loss just a little bit. I think that's valid right at that low. So we're aiming for this 30-minute. There's a chance that we go to all-time highs, honestly. I don't want to bet too hard. Let me actually move my camera because I'm recording this trade. Couldn't really see ES. Yeah, Naveen, you gotta consult with Mark. Dude, we're running. We're running, guys. We're absolutely murdering the markets right now. I know I didn't have that much confidence because NQ was being a little stubborn, but now we're just running and we're gonna keep running because of this insane displacement we're getting. Absolutely insane. I have 100% confidence. Probably don't need to come back here, so I'm just gonna go to break even now, and we'll let the trade run. Probably, maybe I'll leave a partial. Maybe I'll leave a runner. We'll see. But I am aiming for that 30-minute fair value gap as of now. We're running it up, guys. 13 people on. Not enough of you are commenting. We're running. We're freaking slaughtering the market right now. Debs, like W's, like wins. Alex, where did you take a loss in W? Like on Nasdaq or what was that on? Edging the high. Gold. Gold. Are we trading gold today, guys? No, we're trading NQ and ES. Yo, Manny JT. What's up? Slowing up a little bit right now. Um, we did hit some fair value gaps. I'm just gonna let it do its thing though, because on the 15-minute, if we close up higher right now, like if we run up, we're not gonna have a fair value gap, or we're gonna have a small one, so that one's a little bit less significant. Gold win. Yeah, Mark's got you guys hooked on gold. Like I just had a really nice trade, guys. You guys could just took in this trade. I'll go on gold in a little bit. We're just gonna enjoy the moment, okay? Because we don't normally get these huge expansions. Like it's been a little lackluster on NQ and ES, so I got one break even in Euro, but price hits TP after. Then one loss, which I got recovered. Break even in Euro. Honestly, something that used to hurt me was when I got hit break even or a loss and then it runs to my TP. But honestly, you can't really control that. Really, that's all it has to do with like volatility and conditions. Because in better conditions, your TP is gonna get hit, and in worse conditions, it's gonna chop around and it's gonna go in the right direction. But you may or may not have the right entry, and that's a lot of the time it's something you can't control. So it's not really something you should be too upset about. Um, but after then recovered that live in S&P 500. Cool, cool. It's always nice to recover a little loss. I know I did that earlier this week. Got really nice closure right here on NQ. I think it's gonna take a little bit of time to get to our TP. It's okay. We got all day. So we're still kind of just hanging out up here. It's alright. I think we'll start running soon. It's so weird how ES like it's just like gravitating higher. It's not weird. I mean, there's reasons behind it, but NQ has been quite more bearish, and ES is just running. Think Capital. Yeah, they have a broker, right? Like that's a broker originally. And instant funding. You gotta check out Legacy Funded Futures. We're gonna have some pretty cool deals with them, some good coupons. They have really, I mean, they're gonna have really good coupons because they're launching soon, and yeah, their rules are very similar to Top Step. Fivers, I've heard Fivers is good in the UK. A lot of those firms are banned in the US now, which is fine in my opinion because we got futures. We're running, guys. We're freaking running. I feel like right around when we hit the high, we should consider getting out. Finally out of a 0.2 RR streak. We're absolutely ripping, guys. Absolutely ripping. We're cooking. Did any of you guys take this trade with me? You should have. I hope you did. I showed my exact analysis and reason why, and I even showed myself pyramiding into the trade. You guys are missing out on free money. No. When did you start this YouTube channel? When did we and Mark start? I don't know, bro. Look at our our oldest freaking video. Let's see. A year ago. And I think Mark made most of those videos, honestly. No, I made the first two videos. And then I think Mark made more than me. And then we're both kind of like even right now. We've been pretty consistent, both sides. Thanks for paying my bills. Of course, Manny. That's what's up. I was watching the setup but didn't expect it to go this early, so I entered when I saw you were in it. Yeah, it price has been running really early, honestly. Like before the typical 10 a.m. silver bullet. Yeah, missed it, entered the stream too late. Yeah, I did kind of start the stream a little early today. Dude, doing great today. Okay, I'm going to figure out what I'm gonna do right here. Because I kind of want to partial out and then just keep a runner. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit more. Pulling back a little bit right here, that's okay. It's kind of expected or a little bit extended. Yeah, from here we should start making new all-time highs, at least by tomorrow. I'll leave a runner to all-time highs with stop every game, and it's a good idea. Yeah, you should definitely do that. Looks like we're gonna take out that high right now. We're going, guys. Trump will tweet something when the price is about to hit TP. Maybe he's been saying stuff. Let me. That was a little suspicious. Let me check the real broker. Oh shoot, we hit the high on the real Nasdaq. Shoot. I think we can make another high. Yeah, we tagged it right on top. But this one's a little bit off. Project X is just a little bit off in general, so yeah, let's see if we could just partial out the high and then save a runner. That'd be extremely upsetting if we somehow went to break even. Yeah, we have a 2-minute fair value gap that should push us higher right here. Naveen gave us bad luck talking about Trump tweeting. Cooking it up. Let's see what this trade ended up being. So we kind of moved our stop a few times, like 1 to 3. We got more targets, guys. Probably in the stream in a few minutes. Hopefully we could get this in those few minutes. If not, I will be sticking to my bias. like this whole 10 a.m. candle is bullish. We should see continuation off of that. Inside of the macro, just getting a little bit of a retracement. Still nothing crazy though. No reason to get out. Could have even entered right here on NASDAQ. That was a pretty clean trade. In the 1 minute up to these highs. We're breaking highs right here on NASDAQ. Hopefully we see that on ES. We're trading up to these highs. Forgot to mention, I was looking at those, so I have them marked out. Believe it's New York. These are New York AM session highs up here from Tuesday. Okay, we're gonna hit those highs right now. Don't need to mess with it. Then I'll just keep the runner on. See how that does. Beast. Okay. So this is going to break even. This final amount right here. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this final runner, honestly, guys. I'll probably close it by 11 EST. So whatever, wherever it ends up around there. But killer stream, guys. We did absolutely amazing. Let's go over the bias, and we'll go over gold too, because I know you guys were asking about gold. So overall, I mean, what occurred right here, we had the SMT sweep out these lows. We're sitting inside of this higher time frame fair value gap, and we're expecting price to deliver higher. My initial entry is based off of this volume imbalance. So we had like a major SMT right here. And that was enough to tell us, okay, like we're going to run up higher for sure. Just because we had such a willingness to trade lower on NQ, but not on ES. ES was completely negligent to want to trade any lower. So that was our SMT. Pretty much, I mean, that goes over all of it. We have this higher time frame 30-minute fair value gap right here, double stacked. You have a breaker block in here as well, based off of this low, and like there's no telling that it wasn't going to run up higher, honestly. Euro USD, I guess. You're gonna mess with my recording. No, I'm kidding. We got the majority of the video. That's good enough for me. So Euro USD. Let's look at dollar index as well, because I feel like that might tell a bigger story. So it looks like on DXY dollar, we are quite bullish. Just looking at this wick, how we're respecting this hourly fair value gap. If you measure this out, you have quite a bit of a discount right here. Trade into discount. Pretty obvious we're going to trade up to these highs. If a dollar is trading up higher, then price has to trade lower on Euro USD. We don't have any crazy targets right here, but see right here. So we trade into a premium, see if there's any entry. Right here, you actually have a inversion for value gap. It doesn't tag it quite. Does not tag it. Yeah, there's not, I mean, there's not much to go off of right here other than the 0.5 area. I guess you could go on the lower time frame, but nothing insane. But honestly, like, you kind of knew where the draw was just based off of where dollar was. Also, let's go look at gold. I have no clue what it did right now. Also, how is ES doing? ES is doing great. So looking at gold, expanded lower, Asia, London. Actually, Mark was in this trade. He should be still in this trade. We did take, if you were on yesterday's stream, guys, we were like selling from all the way up here. So if you took any sells up here, then you should be in profit right now. But other than that, guys, probably end the stream off now. We did amazing, honestly. Like, killer trade. But I'll catch you guys in the next one.